My name is Benedikt. Today we want to have a look at the new XTRATEC XT shoulder milling cutter M5130. The clearance angle of the insert has been reduced from 15 to 7 degrees. At the same time we have rotated the mounting position of the insert and the rake angle by 8 degrees. As a result, the cutting wedge and the effective clearance angle remained unchanged. The reduced clearance angle increases the cross-section around the bore of the insert by 12%. This increases stability and process reliability and at the same time enables higher feed rates. The size of the contact surface could also be increased by 34%. The pressure in the body is reduced, which also increases the process reliability and the possible feed rates. The cross-section in the back of the tool is increased by 40%. The reason for this is the changed position of the clamping thread, an improvement that also leads to considerable increased process reliability and higher possible tooth feed rates. However, the main advantage of the new mounting position is that tools with more teeth are possible. In the past, a tool with a diameter of 63 mm and a cutting depth of 15 mm has a maximum of 6 teeth. The new XTRATEC XT shoulder milling cutter M5130 has 7 teeth. This alone increases the productivity of the cutters by 17%. Of course, our TigerTech Gold grades are also available for the XTRATEC XT shoulder milling cutter M5130. I would like to draw special attention to the new grade WSP45G. This has a unique PVD aluminum oxide coating and combines high wear resistance and toughness. The main applications of these grades are the machining of steel, stainless steel and difficult to machine materials such as Inconel. All in all, the XTRATEC XT shoulder milling cutter M5130 is the ideal tool for everybody who needs the highest process reliability with maximum productivity and unsurpassed universality.